this question asks us to rank the length of the indicated bonds from shortest to longest. These are all bonds between carbon and hydrogen, so that's not what's different. The only thing that's different between the indicated bonds is the hybridization of the carbon atom. In this first example, the carbon is sp2 hybridized. In the middle example, sp3 hybridized. And the last example, the carbon is sp hybridized. As the carbon takes on more character, that is, as it moves closer to becoming sp hybridized, the carbon becomes more electronegative. As a more electronegative element, it pulls those bonds in a little bit closer, and a more electronegative element makes a shorter bond than a less electronegative element. Therefore, since the sp carbon is the most electronegative, it will have the shortest bond in this series. The sp3 carbon then would be the least electronegative, and it will be the longest bond in this series. Therefore, the sp2 carbon, the one that's in the middle of hybridization, will have the bond length that's in the middle of the other bond lengths.